We actually worked at a retail store with each other while we were in college in Tuscaloosa. And then she moved off. We stayed in touch with each other through sports. We actually met playing in a tournament down at the beach one weekend, and one thing led to another, and now here we are, the big day.
Taylor is energized, upbeat, outgoing. She will do anything. When I say the magic words, you won't do it. She does it. That makes her do it even more, whatever it is.
With this ring, I thee wed. With all my worldly goods,
I
share with you. In the name of the Father,
in the name of the Father,
in the name of the Son,
in the name of the Son,
in the name of the Holy Spirit.
in the name of the Holy Spirit.
There we go. All right. It says, with this ring, I thee wed. With all my worldly goods, I share with you. In the name of the Father, in the name of the Son, in the name of the Holy Spirit.
I carry so much peace because of the lessons you've taught. I'm a better person and will take so many lessons into my marriage feeling prepared. I will always be your little girl, and you will always be the first man to show me unconditional love.
You look amazing, baby. You look absolutely gorgeous right now. Yes, ma'am. I love the dress. Absolutely love the dress. You look great.
Cody, I'm so proud of the man you have become, and I'm so happy to be here to witness the next chapter of your life begin. I love you, and congratulations.
I now declare them as husband and wife, and you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Miss Cody Hodo.
You had a good day?
Mm-hmm. Good.